tiptoe, swing us on rose, go wherever.
Hello, welcome to my vlog. So I'm actually filming this intro in mid-November, but the vlog actually started on the first day of school, which is September. It's just that I never filmed a proper intro because of everything that was happening, and honestly my entire vlog is very messy. Just to give you guys context, I wanted to start vlogging on the first day of school. Unfortunately, the most tragic thing happened to me on a first day to school. I wanted to try out this cafe with a friend, and my friend forgot to lock the door of his car, and we decided to leave our laptops in his car. And yeah, you might have guessed, someone came into the car and stole our laptop. I didn't really care about my laptop. It was more the fact that they stole my external drive, and I had all of my content in it. So when my external drive got stolen, I literally had no more content left, like at all, and I just had to restart from zero. And just to give you guys an idea, I had content that I shot since May. Like, it was basically all of my summer content that I just created because I knew that when school started I wouldn't have that much time. But yeah, so that was a brief explanation of what happened. It has been a very unlucky semester, but I still wanted you guys to be part of the positive things, I guess. There's a lot of things that has happened, and I just wanted to vlog it just for the fun of it. I love watching vlog. So yeah. So before we jump into the vlog, I just want to thank our sponsor, Luisa. You guys already know who they are. They're a jewelry brand, and I have never worked with any other jewelry brand because I'm just very picky with my jewelries. But since I've started working with Ana Luisa, I've been so happy with everything they've offered me, and they have just so many designs on their website that it's like endless, and I just love how minimal the designs are, but they speak loudly. I'm just gonna show you guys the 3 pieces I've got recently from Ana Luisa. So the first thing I got is an ear cuff, and it's probably my favorite piece. I've been wearing this ear cuff every single day. Like, I don't think you'll see me without an ear cuff. I've been really into ear cuffs, and I've gotten a few of them from really like sketchy and cheap websites, and I've lost a ton of them because they just tend to like fall off of my ears. This one definitely will never fall off. It's very rigid and it's gonna stay, and it looks very very expensive, and the quality is amazing. And actually right now it is on sale. Plus I have a discount code for you guys, so if you guys want to use that code, and also the Black Friday sale, I think you guys can get that for really cheap. The next earring that I got is the Scarlet Pearl, which is like a double hoop earring with a little pearl inside. I think I can just wear pearls for the rest of my life and I'll be happy with it. I got the Mali earring. I'm gonna wear it for you guys. I haven't really seen a lot of jewelry brands make this kind of earring design. I find that it just flows super nicely with the ear geometry. Changed their packages recently, and I find them so cute. Now they give you little magnetic pouches, as you can see here, and I just find it very convenient. I like how flat they are. You can carry them wherever. And I know that by the time this vlog is out, they're gonna be having the biggest sale of the year on the website, which is buy one and get one 60% off. So you would definitely not want to miss that. And yeah, and also don't forget to use my code. I'll be leaving it right here for you guys. And that's about it. Let's start vlogging. Okay, so I'm continuing my vlog today. So this is a few days after I got my laptop stolen. So now it's the weekend, and I just figured out that I should be creating content the whole weekend if I want to if I want to catch up and everything, and I also have to study. So it took me forever to get ready and then get like a few outfits ready, and it was already 2, and then it took me half an hour just to get to the location I had in mind. I'm just gonna make it simple and go for a very like simple location. I'm not allowed to be there. I've been there multiple times and the alarm went off, but you know what, desperate time calls for desperate measures, so I'm just gonna shoot there today. And it's basically just like in a staircase of a shopping mall. Anyways, I'll bring you guys along. No, actually I won't be able to bring you guys along because I only have one camera and it's my phone, and I'll be shooting pictures on it, but I'll show you guys the results. So I'm shooting. I just finished shooting, and the moment I finished shooting, the sun looks amazing. Oh my god, okay, I'm not gonna keep talking. I'm not supposed to be here. Let me show you. Look. Anyways, I'm done with the content. There was one outfit that I really wanted to do, but unfortunately I forgot to bring the top. So I can't do it, but let's say I'm done. Cool. Hi everyone, it's Monday and I have one lab. So my lab is in an hour, but I actually came downtown like almost 3 hours in advance just because I wanted to get free parking, which is right next to my school. And honestly, I think it's worth it because I came early enough to shoot some amazing content, and the lighting is amazing in the morning. So for once I'm not late. I'm ready to go to school, like physically and mentally. I'm ready for my lab. I shot some content. I'm fully awake and I got free parking, so I plan to stay almost a whole day downtown. So I'm trying to be a bit more positive after everything that has happened to me in this past week. But yeah, I basically just shot some content over here. Over here there's a nice building, and now I'm just gonna go back to my car and get everything that I need, and then I'm gonna go to my lab.
Reel it in, I got the bag, tell a friend, she got some bags, bring it in, bitch I'm the new CNN, yeah. Reel it in, I got the bag, tell a friend, she got some bags, bring it in, bitch I'm the new CNN, yeah. Drippin', I got the TikTok miss,